m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of the second line, that is tan alpha 1 and tan alpha 2. Third point, if the line is parallel to x-axis, then the equation of the line is y is equal to k. Suppose if the equation of a line is parallel to x-axis, means then the equation of a line is y is equal to k. Just find out slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is the formula for slope? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class, we have discussed regarding slope of a line joining the 2 points and slope of a line if it makes an angle of intersection theta with positive or negative direction of x-axis, then the problems based on that. Now today in this session I am going to discuss very important concept, that is angle of intersection between the two lines and also the problems based on angle of intersection and the collinearity of the 3 points. So when did you say 3 points are collinear? So that we are going to discuss, and the angle of intersection between the two lines, finding the angle of intersection whenever two lines intersect. Now let us know what is the angle of intersection. Now what is the problem here? The question will be like this: angle between the two lines. So derive an expression for angle of intersection between the two lines whose slopes are m1 and m2. Suppose if you know the equation of a line, the standard equation of a line is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Right, okay. Suppose let us consider if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or we can also call it as a1x plus by1 plus c1 is equal to 0, and another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So if L1 and L2, let us represent this as L1 and L2. Now if these two lines intersect at this point, suppose if L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 is a line, this will intersect, this will cut the x-axis at an angle alpha 2. Another line L2, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is another line L2 which cuts the x-axis at alpha 1. So if alpha 1 and alpha 2 is the angle of intersection between the first and second line L1 and L2, and what is the slope? We know the slope of the line is m1 is the slope of first line, m1 is the slope of first line L1, and m2 is the slope of second line, slope of second line, slope of L2. Suppose if m1 and m2 are the slope of L1 and L2, so alpha 1 and alpha 2 is angle between the lines L1 and L2. So listen to me, let us consider two lines L1 and L2. L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another line a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, L2. So the line L1 cuts the x-axis at alpha 2 and the line L2 will cut the x-axis at alpha 1. Then m1 is the slope of line L1 and m2 is the slope of the line L2. Okay. Here alpha 1 and alpha 2 are called as the inclination. So inclination for the first line is alpha 2 and inclination for the second line L2 is alpha 1. Okay. Now suppose m1 is the slope. So therefore m1 is equal to tan of alpha 1 and m2 is equal to tan alpha 2. Slope of the lines first line and second line is tan alpha 1 and tan alpha 2. m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of the second line, that is tan alpha 1 and tan alpha 2. Now these two lines will intersect at this point. See, this theta is the angle of intersection between L1 and L2. So what is to find out is this theta angle of intersection between the two lines. So the angle between the two lines, so these two lines will intersect at this point. So this is the angle of intersection. The angle of intersection between L1 and L2 whose slopes are m1 and m2. Okay. Then what is theta? Theta is, if theta and pi are the adjacent angles, then theta is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Theta is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Okay. Now by this, so theta from this, theta is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Now since we know what is m1 is equal to tan alpha 1 and m2 is equal to tan of alpha 2. Take tan on both sides. tan theta is equal to tan of alpha 2 minus alpha 1. So tan theta is equal to, you know the formula for tan A minus B? Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 divided by 1 plus tan alpha 2 into tan of alpha 1. So therefore tan theta is equal to, what is tan alpha 2? That's equal to m2 minus tan alpha 1 is m1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1. So tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 and m2 into m1. Okay. So this is the angle of intersection between the two lines L1 and L2. So depending upon the value of theta, if theta is an acute angle or obtuse angle, or depending upon the value of tan theta and tan pi as positive or negative, the angle of intersection between these two lines is given by, hence the formula is tan theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula for angle of intersection between the two lines. So tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 under m2 under mod. Okay, that's it. Suppose if m1 is equal to m2, if the slope of first line and slope of second line are equal, then the two lines are said to be parallel. Hence the condition for the two lines to be parallel to each other is m1 is equal to m2. Suppose if the product of slopes m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, then the two lines are said to be perpendicular, right? So here this becomes 1 minus 1, that's 0, tan 0, yes, that means infinity. So tan infinity means it's 90 degree. Angle of intersection between the lines is 90 degree in this case, 0 in the first case. So if 0 means they are parallel, theta is equal to 90 degree means it is perpendicular to each other. So depending upon the positive and negative value of tan theta and tan pi, tan theta can be written as mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 under m2. Now, by knowing this, let us know some important points. If two lines are parallel to each other, then the slopes of the lines are equal. m1 is equal to m2. In this case, tan theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 0. If two lines are parallel to each other, then m1 is equal to m2 and theta is equal to 0 degree. The angle of intersection between the two lines is 0. Then, if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of slopes m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. In this case, the two lines are perpendicular to each other. So then theta is equal to 90 degree. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then the two lines are perpendicular. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. If theta is equal to 0 degree, m1 and m2 are equal. m1 is equal to m2. They are parallel. Now, condition third point. If the line is parallel to x-axis, then the equation of the line is y is equal to k. Suppose if the equation of a line is parallel to x-axis means, then the equation of a line is y is equal to k. Similarly, if the line is parallel to y-axis, then the equation of the line is x is equal to k. See, if the line is parallel to x-axis means, then the equation of the line is y is equal to k. If the line is parallel to y-axis means, then the equation of the line is x is equal to k. A very linear equation of two variable is represent a line in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A linear equation of two variable is represented as a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, let us discuss regarding collinear, that is collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity of 3 points. Suppose let us consider 3 points a x1 y1, b x2 y2, c x3 y3. That is a. This is a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, and c x3 comma y3. These 3 points are said to be collinear when. So the 3 points are collinear, then slopes are equal between any 2 points of the line. So that is slope of AB is also equal to slope of BC. If slope of AB and slope of BC are equal, then the points A, B, C are said to be collinear. That is slope. If the points are collinear, 3 points are collinear, slopes are equal between any 2 points of the line. Slopes are equal between any 2 points. In this case, let us call the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, right? Now you know the formula to find the slope of AB. What is the formula for slope of AB? Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here slope of BC. BC here x1, y1, x2, y2. We can call it as y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x1. If these two are equal, then the 3 points are said to be collinear. Okay. So if slope of AB and slope of BC, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, then the 3 points A, B, C are said to be collinear. Find the angle between the lines root 3x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus root 3y is equal to 1. Right. Now, you know the slope of the line, slope of the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 is M is equal to minus A by B. Now here slope of first line, slope of the first line root 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is M1 is equal to minus root 3 by A, that is minus B by A, that is root 3 by 1 is minus root 3. And similarly the slope of the second line, slope of the second line x plus root 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is M2 is equal to minus A by B minus 1 by root 3, that is minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Now therefore M1 is equal to minus root 3 and M2 is equal to minus 1 by root 3. The angle of intersection between them is given by tan theta is equal to mod of M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 and M2, or you can also take mod of M2 minus M1 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. M1 is minus root 3, minus into minus plus 1 over root 3 divided by 1 plus M1 is minus root 3 into M2 is minus 1 by root 3. This root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. So we have tan theta is equal to mod of, just take LCM, root 3 is the LCM, minus root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square is 3 plus 1 divided by, in the denominator 1, this minus into minus plus 1 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by root 3 into, well, this is 1 plus 1 is 2, taken to the numerator, then this becomes 1 by 2 mod. So that is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Tan theta, this can be written as minus 1 by root 3, since modulus, so modulus of minus is plus 1 by 3. So for what value of theta is 1 by root 3? 1 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to minus of 1 by root 3 can also be written as plus 1 by root 3. This is equal to 1 by root 3. Now tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 means theta is equal to what is tan 30? You know sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 cos 30. Cos 30 root 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 3 means it is tan 30. So this is equal to tan of 30 degrees. So therefore theta is equal to 30 degrees. So the angle of intersection between these two lines is theta is equal to 30 degrees. That's it. Hope you followed. Very simple problem. Just find out the slope of the first line minus A by B and slope of the second line minus A by B minus root 3 and minus 1 by root 3. Substitute here M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2, that is after simplification. So you will get minus 1 by root 3. So modulus of minus 1 by root 3 is plus 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to 30 degree because tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Now let us move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that the points 4, 4, 3, 5 and minus 1, minus 1 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So without using Pythagoras theorem, you have to verify these are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay. Just very simple. Find out the slope of AB, BC and CA. So just find out here what is given A. Now A, what is A? A is equal to 4, 4. B, what is B? B is 3 comma 5 and C minus 1 comma minus 1. Just find out slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is the formula for slope? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So Y2 minus Y1. So this is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. 5 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 4. So that's equal to 5 minus 4 is 1 divided by 3 minus 4 is minus 1. That's equal to minus 1. Slope of AB. Find out slope of BC. Slope of BC. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 5 divided by minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. So minus 6 divided by minus 4. That's equal to 3 by 2. Okay. See here. Slope. So what is this equal to? Yes, minus 1 minus 5. Y2 yes, x1, y1, x2, y2. That is y2 minus y1. Minus 1 minus 5 divided by minus 1 minus 3. Minus 6 divided by minus 4. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 3 by 2. Similarly, slope of CA. CA, these two. So, x1, y1, x2, y2. That is equal to minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 divided by minus 1 minus 4. That's equal to minus 5 by minus 5. That's also equal to plus 1. Okay. Now, just multiply slope of AB and slope of CA. Since slope of AB, what is slope of AB? Minus 1. Slope of AB. Slope of CA. Slope of CA is equal to plus 1. Right, plus 1. Now, just multiply it. Now, slope of AB into slope of CA. Multiply it. What is this equal to? Slope of AB is minus 1 and slope of CA is plus 1. This is equal to minus 1. So, this is of the form m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This product of slope is equal to minus 1 means then they are perpendicular. That means the angle between them is 90 degrees. That means it is a right angle triangle. So, slope of AB into slope of CA is equal to minus 1 means therefore the line AB is perpendicular to CA. AB is perpendicular to CA. So, therefore, the given point. So, therefore, the vertices, the given vertices, therefore, the vertices, the given vertices form an right angle triangle. That's all. So, this is how we are going to verify a right angle triangle. So, if the product of slopes is equal to minus 1, if AB is perpendicular to BA means then the vertices forms a right angle triangle. That's it. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the value of x for which the points x comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5 are collinear. Right. Now, yeah, just as I told, if slope of AB and slope of BC are equal, then the two lines are collinear. Just here find out the slope of AB and slope of BC and equate it. So, slope of AB, now let us call it as A. A is equal to x comma minus 1, B is equal to 2 comma 1 and C is equal to 4 comma 5. Now, slope of AB, what is the formula for slope? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. Slope of AB is equal to Y2 minus Y1, 1 minus into minus divided by 2 minus X. So, this is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus X. This is 2 by 2 minus X. 2 divided by 2 minus X. Similarly, find out the slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to same formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So, what is this equal to? Y2 minus y1, 5 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2. What is this equal to? 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 2, that's equal to 2. Now, equate this. Since they are collinear, since A, B, C are collinear, collinear. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB and BC are equal. So, what is the slope of AB? 2 by 2 minus x. 2 divided by 2 minus x is equal to 2 by 1 cross multiplied. 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus x, or 2 is equal to 4 minus 2x. Transfer this. 2x is equal to 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2. 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 2 by 2 means 1. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to 1. So, if x is equal to 1, the points A, B, C are collinear. That's it. Very simple. Find out the slope of AB and slope of BC. Equate it. Slope of AB and slope of BC are equal because they are collinear. So, 2 by 2 minus x is equal to 2 by 1. Cross multiply and simplify. You will get x is equal to 1. That's it. Okay. This is one method. Or you can also solve using area method, or by using the area of triangle. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to 0. Then the points are collinear. What is the formula for area of into sigma x1 into y2 minus y3 is equal to 0. So, just find out the area of the given points and equate it to 0, you will get the value of x. Any method you can use, a slope method or area method. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the problems on collinearity and angle of intersection between the two lines. So, hope you followed. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.